These apps allows you to earn money simply by listening to music. For each song you listen to, you earn $15. If you listen to 10 songs, that's $150. These apps are available in nearly every country and is completely free to use. Personally, I've made over $800 by listening to songs online. It's an easy way to make extra income, and with consistent listening, you can earn more than £800 a month, which is nearly $1,000. It's a straightforward and accessible way to make money online while enjoying music. Welcome to Ask AI. If you want to see video more like this, subscribe the channel and get notified. Now, let's start with the first app on our list called CashForMinutes.com. This is the least paying app on our list. And as we move forward in the video, the earnings per song will keep increasing. So Cash for Minutes is a website where you can make money online by simply listening to music on radio broadcasts. They have paid over £11 million to their users, and they have been here since 2014. On Cash for Minutes, you can earn anywhere from 10 cents to $1 per song. You listen, and some people are reportedly earning over $100 to $200 per month using Cash for Minutes. All you have to do to earn money like this is to sign into Cash for Minutes and add your numbers you will be dialing from. Then choose a number to dial. But make sure you always perform a short test call to check you're not being charged. And for every call you make to listening to music on the radio broadcasts, you will get paid 10 cents to $1 per song you listen to. The more songs you listen to, the more money you're going to make. Now let's move to the second website on our list where you can earn over £800 per month just by listening to music online, which, if you calculate, are equal to over $1,000. So basically here you get paid to listen to music as music curators. This is the website where you review songs that other people make. Give them your honest opinion and feedback about their song and you will get paid in return. You can get paid anywhere from few cents all the way up to $6 per song you listen to and review. The name of this website is MusicGateway.com, which is a gateway to the music industry. It has got over 4.6 star ratings on Trustpilot, which shows that it is one of the legit websites to make money online. So basically they will send you a song, you will listen to the song and you will give your honest advice and feedback about the song. And as you can see here, curators can earn up to $800 a month, which is about $1,000 a month using their submission tool. And the submission tool is actually where the people come submit their songs for you as a curator to listen to them and give your honest feedback or opinion what you genuinely think about the song. And for every song you listen to, you can get paid up to $6 per song. To become a curator, all you have to do is to come to the bottom of this website and select the curator's option from there. That's going to take you to this page where you just need to scroll down a little bit and press this apply button right here. Then just submit simple information about yourself and you are all set to earn money online listening to songs. The next app will help you earn over $14 per song you listen to. Now let's move to the third app on our list, which is one of the highest paying app when it comes to make money. Listening to music on Spotify, completing different survey offers, getting paid to watch YouTube videos, search Google, etc. The name of this app is called CashStars.com. This is the app where you can listen to Spotify music and get paid anywhere from $2 to $5 per song you listen to. Now, even though CashStars is available worldwide and it is free to join this app when it comes to these different tasks to make money online, it is not available for everyone. So you will actually have to apply to join this app by sharing your name and email address. To join the priority waitlist, you will receive an email after a month or two to join CashStars, and once you join you will have many different offers to make money online with, including the ones listening to Spotify, music, browsing, Google, watching YouTube videos, playing games and much more. And the reason they are paying you to listen to music and completing different tasks is because they are just splitting the ad revenue with you. Advertisers put different ads around those songs, and when you listen to them you will hear some ads playing as well. So they are just sharing the ad revenue with you that they earn by charging different artists and people who actually make those songs. And users from all around the world are reportedly earning over $10 for every 2 to 3 songs they listen to now. Now, the fourth on our list is where you can get paid up to $15 for each song you listen to. They have instant payout systems too, and the good thing is if you have TikTok account, you can get paid up to $250 per TikTok video you create using songs available on this app, which is just awesome. But even if you just want to make money listening to music, you can easily earn over $15 per song you listen to. So the name of the next app is Playlist Pushkar. It has got over 4.4 star ratings on Trustpilot, and it is one of the best and most legit app when it comes to making money by listening to songs. So to start earning money, just scroll down to the bottom of this website and click where it says Playlist Creators, and as you can see, you can make money by creating your playlists where you just need to listen to the song and review it. And if you like it, you can consider adding it to one of your playlists. And for each song you listen to, you will get paid $15 for it to become a curator on Playlist Pushkar. You just need to press this Become a Curator button right here and submit your simple information on this page, and you are all set to start making money by listening to music songs. Now the fifth app, ABD, the last app on our list, is where you can get paid up to $14 per song you listened and give your honest feedback so that the creator of the song can actually improve. Some users of this app are earning over $150 a day just by listening to songs. And the good thing is that they have instant payout systems and you can take withdrawals directly into your bank account. So you don't need to have a PayPal, Payoneer, or whatever payment methods. But for our future videos, comment down below the different payment methods that are available in your country so that I can create more relevant videos for you. So the name of this app is called a Sound Campaign Icon. Don't get confused because the URL of this website is soundcam.com. Sound Campaign has a 4.2 star ratings on Trustpilot, and it is one of the verified companies on Trustpilot, which shows that it is a legit app to make money online in 2024. You can see that they connect artists with the playlist curators such as yourself, and to earn money listening to music, you just need to scroll down all the way to the end of this website and click on Get Paid to listen to music. That's going to take you to this page where you again need to scroll down a little bit and where it says Become a Verified Sound Campaign Curator. You just need to press Apply Now button and register yourself using your Spotify account, and you can start to make money online like this. Now the money you will earn on these websites will highly depend on the country where you live. The more developed your country is, the more songs you will be suggested and the more money you're going to make. So comment down your country below so that I can come up with more make money online apps and websites that work in your country. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to see video more like this, subscribe the channel and get notified.